Okay, I am so excited to talk today about Etsy's new big updates that they just released this past week. If you have been offering personalized products in your Etsy shop, this video is for you. And if you haven't been offering personalized products in your Etsy shop, this new big Etsy update might be exactly what you need to get started. I have not been this excited about an update on Etsy, I don't think ever, because this is honestly such good news for all of us. It is going to allow us to offer personalized products with less issues, less back and forth with customers, and just make it much more seamless. But the flip side of this is this could feel a little bit overwhelming, especially if you've been selling on Etsy already and you have a lot of pre-existing listings, because you might be asking yourself, well, what do I do now with all these listings I already have that are active? So today we are going to answer that question for you to make this transition as smooth as possible. In today's video, I'm going to be breaking down exactly what has changed when it comes to Etsy's personalization features, why it matters for your shop, and how you can update all of your pre-existing listings in bulk so you are not manually updating each and every one. This is definitely a big game changer, especially if you have been offering personalized products already. Hey there, welcome back. My name is Emily. I'm a mom of 2 young kiddos and a former educator who somehow found herself in this wild world of entrepreneurship. I have built a multi-six-figure Etsy print-on-demand shop, and now I love helping others start, grow, and scale their own Etsy shops. Every week, I'm sharing honest, practical tips that are working on Etsy right now in my shop and in my student shop from the Gift Lab community. And today is one of those timely tips because when Etsy rolls something big like this out, it is important for us to take note and to start implementing it right away in our shops. All right, so let's break down what Etsy actually changed. Now, previously, when it came to offering personalized products, we were given the option to have one set of instructions and basically an open box where customers could just write their text, their personalized text. There wasn't any option to upload files. If they needed to send you something, they would have to send it via messages through Etsy. But there was really not a ton of customizing when it came to offering personalized products. Now, many of us may do, right? We found our own workarounds for this. But now Etsy is really giving sellers what they want. So I'm going to show you what this looks like now on your listings. Okay, so as I said previously on the personalization features, we were really only given one kind of open-ended box where customers could write their personalized details. But now Etsy has upped the game completely. We are now given the option to add a new text box, a list of options, or even file uploads, which is huge if you are offering photo personalization of any kind. Now, I'm going to walk you through each of these really quick. The first one is a text box. So this is the more kind of traditional personalization that you might think of. So if you need their name, if you need a year, if you need their monogram or a location, you can simply write in here the information you need. You can also give an example. So if you want to be able to give them more detailed instructions, and you can also set the character limit here. What I'm also loving is that Etsy is giving you now a visual of what this personalization will look like for buyers. So you can make sure it's exactly what you need. So you are able to add up to 5 text boxes. The other thing that you can do is also add a list of options. So this is going to come in handy if you offer customization for, let's say, font colors, font choices, even graphics. So if you're offering birth month flower products, you can put all the months in here and let them pick from here. So this list of options is going to give you almost like another set of variations. So you could put in here birth month, and then you could simply add, January, February, etc. And so you can add all of your options, and you're able to add up to 30 options, which is so great. Now, the last feature, which I am probably most excited about, is the file upload. And this is something that has honestly prevented me from doing more photo customization when it comes to my Etsy products, because having to have customers message you a photo, track it down, send them a reminder, that becomes very time consuming and tedious, especially during busy seasons. But now you can add a file upload to your actual listing. So they have to upload the file before they even order the product. And to be honest, I think this is going to help customers too, because I get so many messages from customers asking, where do I even send my photo now? So this is going to solve so many problems across the board. Here, you'll want to, again, put your title in here. You'll want to include if this is required, and you can add up to 10 photos to these products, which is amazing. And I also recommend giving instructions. So if you want it to be high resolution or so many pixels, make sure that you include that in your instructions as well. And you can see what this will actually look like for Etsy buyers over here on the right-hand side. So overall, Etsy has absolutely changed the game when it comes to the customization options that were allowed on our listings. This is going to make it such a seamless process when it comes to offering those personalized products. And I think it's opening a lot of doors for many, many sellers. Now, here is where most Etsy sellers are going to feel the friction a little bit. If you only have about 5, 10, even 25 listings, this doesn't feel like such a big lift to go back and update your previous listings. But if you have been selling on Etsy for a bit, let's say you even have 100 listings in your shop, the idea of going through those 100 listings and updating the personalization options feels incredibly daunting. And that's where this tool called Vela comes into play. Vela is a listing management tool that allows you to bulk edit listings and not just personalization, things like price, descriptions, keywords, so much more. And as I said, they have been working very closely with Etsy during this personalization launch. And I'm really excited to share with you because this is honestly saving me personally so much time when it comes to implementing these changes. And so here is how Vela works. Now, as I showed you here, if you have a listing that has a pre-existing personalization option on it, this is how it is going to come in to your listing. It is moving kind of that title, what you've had in there before, to the field title. And it's fine. It's working, right? Like there is a personalization field there, but it would be so much easier if this obviously said year or please include the year, and then we could give some instructions. But again, having to manually go through all of these listings just feels like such a heavy lift right now. So let me show you how Vela is making this so much easier for us. And one of the best parts is Vela is offering a 1-week free trial for you. So you can go in there and update your listings and also check out all the other features that it has to offer. And other great news is the first 10 new users who sign up for Vela using the link below in my description will actually get 1 full month free with full accessibility to all of the Vela features. All right, so let me show you what this looks like in Vela. Now, your Vela dashboard is going to look a lot like your Etsy shop manager. You'll be able to see all of your listings, the active ones, the draft ones, etc. And if you click into any of your listings, it will look a lot like, again, your Etsy listings in your shop manager. Now, I'm excited to talk about more of the tools that Vela offers over the next couple months. It is something I have been actively using in my own shop, but today I'm just going to walk you through 2 easy ways you can update the personalization options. So that way you're not having to do it one by one. Now, the first way is going to be using something that Vela calls their profiles. Now, what is a profile? A profile is where you can assign groups of products together. So that way, if you ever need to update them, let's say, for example, you sell journals and you want to have kind of all of your journals under a profile. And let's say you need to increase the price by a couple dollars. You could easily go in here, click on your journal profile and update that price, and it would apply to all of those listings. Now, for today, I'm going to show you how to do this for the personalization. We're going to create a profile for the career ornaments because that's what we are going to update, those that I was showing you earlier. And we will select create profile, and under profile name, I'm going to call these career ornaments. And the section is what we want to be able to update and change for all of the listings that fall under those career ornaments. So I'm going to select personalization, and now you'll see down here the personalization options populate. So for these ornaments, we are simply updating the year. We want to make sure all of those in those personalization instructions say, please include a year. Maybe we want to give them some instructions. So for this one, we'll select text box. And again, these mirror exactly what's on Etsy. And we are going to say, please include year. and maybe we'll give them an example. And I like to set a few more characters than needed just in case a customer needs to ask a question or has any, clarifying comments. And so I'll give them 25 characters. Now we'll want to make sure we hit required because that is something that is going to be necessary for us to create that product, right? And then all we'll do is simply hit save. So we have our career ornaments profile created, and now we want to connect listings. So we can do a search here. We can search by title. So for this, I'm going to do, let's just type in ornament, and you're going to see all of these popping up here. And we can select, we could select all, and all of these are those career ornaments. So I'll select connect. And now it's going to connect all of these listings to this career ornament profile. And you can see at the top here that it's syncing all of the listings with the settings from that personalization update. And now if we go back to our listing screen and we scroll all the way down to personalization, we will see that this has updated with this new personalization request that we've added in here. So we have the please include the year with the instructions and all of that in here. So in just a few clicks, we were able to bulk update several listings with the new personalization options. And this is exactly why I love using Vela, especially for situations like this or these new big Etsy rollouts, is it allows us to make these changes without spending hours and hours of our time having to go back and update them. Okay, so let's zoom out a bit and talk about why this is so important for your Etsy shop. Personalization is one of the reasons why so many buyers come to Etsy. They're looking for something custom. They're looking for something unique. They're looking for something special for whatever occasion it might be for. And by offering personalization, you can stand out amongst the crowd with your products. And this Etsy change to personalization is going to allow this process to be so much more seamless, not only for us as sellers, but also for the buyers. They'll be able to see exactly what they can customize, be able to upload those files right there before they order, or choose from a list of options, making it super clean and simple and reducing the headaches and the back and forth messaging that often happens. And this better customer service also means better reviews for you. It means a better experience overall for Etsy customers. This new personalization option is a huge win for us sellers, and getting ahead of it now, using it to your advantage now right away is going to allow you to stand out. And by using a tool like Vela that can save you so much time implementing this new change, that is going to free up hours for you to be able to continue putting out new and unique products in your Etsy shop. All right, so let's recap what we've covered today. Etsy launched this new personalization update where you can include up to 5 text fields, you can include a list of options, and you can allow them to upload up to 10 files. And if you have pre-existing personalized listings, using a tool like Vela to be able to bulk update all of your personalization fields to have them be optimized is going to help you so much and keep things super clean on your listings. So I would love to know, are you currently offering personalized products in your Etsy shop? Are you excited about this change? Or if you haven't been offering personalization, do you think this might open up the doors for you to do so in your shop? And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like or subscribe below. I post videos every single week, and I would love to see you here again. My name is Emily, and I look forward to seeing you next time.